Seeds are often overlooked, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's dive into some of the best seeds for your body and how they can elevate your health game. First up, we have chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds can provide you with a whopping 11 grams of fiber. That's more than a bowl of oatmeal. They absorb liquid and expand, making them perfect for smoothies or puddings. Plus, they help keep you feeling full longer, which is fantastic if you're looking to manage your weight. Next, let's talk about flax seeds. These little gems are rich in lignans, which have antioxidant properties and can support heart health. Flax seeds are also a great source of omega-3s, just like chia. To get the most out of them, it's best to grind them before consuming. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your baking, or mix them into your morning smoothie. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to incorporate them into your diet. Now, sunflower seeds are another fantastic option. They're not just a tasty snack. They're also packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium. Vitamin E is crucial for skin health and can help protect your cells from damage. A handful of sunflower seeds can give you a nice energy boost, making them a perfect pre-workout snack. Toss them into salads or trail mixes for a delightful crunch. Pumpkin seeds or pepitas are next on the list. These seeds are a fantastic source of zinc, which is essential for immune function. They also contain magnesium, iron, and protein. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile. You can roast them for a crunchy snack or sprinkle them on soups and salads. They're also great for satisfying those late-night cravings without the guilt. Sesame seeds might be small, but they're mighty. They are rich in calcium, which is essential for bone health, and they contain healthy fats that can help lower cholesterol levels. You can find them in various dishes, from salads to Asian cuisine. Try adding tahini, a paste made from ground sesame seeds, to your dressings or dips for an extra nutrient boost. Incorporating these seeds into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, or mix them into your favorite baked goods. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Before I wrap this up, here's a fun fact. Did you know that just 1 ounce of mixed seeds can provide you with a significant portion of your daily nutrient needs? So, why not give your body the fuel it deserves? If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe for more health tips and drop a comment below sharing your favorite way to use seeds. Your body will thank you.